Hello guys! Today we're gonna fill up my goodies inside my load bags. And let's say cheers to my sponsor, Tito Kokoy and Tita Name. Thank you, Tita Name, for the stickers and toys. And thank you, Tito Kokoy, for the candies and load bags and colorings. And thank you, sponsor, too. So, let's get started. First, we're going to take one of these load bags and fill them up. So, we will get this. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. If you get like one of these, you have to make like this. Put the things down. Put the first this blue thing and then the pink next. And then you pull the blue up and then it flies. You want to see that? Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Wait, sorry. Let's think of this thing. So 1, 2, 3. Do you even saw that? Did you also got it on camera? That's amazing, right? You have to buy that. But I'm gonna give it to my classmates, my friends. Maybe you can also get them because I think I have some for you too. So let's get started. Only for clumsiness. So we'll put this in here. Ta-da! I'm done! Well, I cannot give the other things inside the extra load bags because I only have these big, and also of the pandemic, and also I cannot see my classmates because we're in homeschooling, so I cannot give. But only some I can give to my classmates or the grades or KTs. And also friends.